So hey guys, I am Vishwish. In this video we are going to learn about list methods. I have created this file for you guys so that you can understand what I am talking about. This file includes all the list methods with a proper definition and how you can use it properly. So I will upload this file on the GitHub. You can download it and I will put the link in the description. So let's get started. Okay, so now let's talk about the append method. Append method is basically used for adding a new element at the end of your list. So let's say I create a new list called my list and assign some values to it separated by commas. Now I want to add another value into that list. So first of all, select that list called my list and use a dot append method on it and pass element as a parameter. For example, I want to append a 34 into my list, and if I print out my list, you can see updated list inside the console in which the 34 is added at the end of your list. So now let's talk about the insert method. Insert method is basically used for adding a new value at a specific index. So let's create a one list called my list and I am going to assign some values to it. And now let's say I want to add a new element at the first index. So first of all, select your list and use a dot insert method on it, and note that it takes two parameters. First parameter is index and the second parameter is element. In my case, index is a 1 and element is a myth. So what this line does is that it first of all selects the my list and insert a myth at a first index after the wishways. Okay, so if I print out my list, inside the console you can see updated list in which the myth is added after the wishways at a first index. Okay guys, so let's talk about a pop method. Well, pop method is used for removing a last element from a list. So let's create a one list called my list and I am going to assign three values to it separated by commas. Okay, and now in order to delete a last element from a list, first of all select your list and use a dot pop method on it, and now if I print out my updated list, you can see that the Vishu, which is the last element, is deleted from the list. Now in order to delete element at a specific index, pass the index inside the dot pop method as a parameter. So I want to delete a 67 from my list, so its index is a 1, so I pass a 1 as a parameter, and if I run this, you can see that 67 is deleted from the list. Okay, so sometimes in a larger list it is impossible to find out the index, and a pop method deletes an element based on index number. So at that time remove method is used for removing element from a list, because the remove element takes a value as a parameter. So let's create a one list called my list and assign some values to it. I am going to assign a three values separated by commas. Okay, and now in order to delete element by using a remove method, first of all choose that list and use a remove method on it, and as a parameter pass the value. For example, I want to delete wishways from my list. So if I print out that updated list, you can see inside the console that wishways is deleted from the list. So guys, this is all about list method, and if you like my video, so press the like button for YouTube algorithm and make sure that you have subscribed my channel for later videos. Till then, bye bye and enjoy your day.